90 Day Fiancé, Uncle Beau makes bold fashion move at Mike and Natalie's wedding. Mike Youngquist and Natalie Mordovtsea finally said I do in the finale of 90 Day Fiancé Season 8. The couple officially becomes wife and husband. At their wedding, Uncle Beau came to the spotlight because of the bold fashion move. While Natalie's dress and sneaker bridal outfit did impress some 90 Day Fiancé fans, it was Uncle Beau Lawrence's bold fashion choice that went viral on the internet. Mike called off their marriage just 3 days before Natalie's K-1 visa expired. Eventually, Mike changed heart and decided to marry just 2 hours before their wedding ceremony. Because of Mike, Natalie didn't get a chance to wear the bridal gown, so she settled for a simple summer dress she bought in Ukraine. Natalie said on the cameras, "Nothing can make me feel better except seeing Michael saying, 'I do.'" The final decision day was so stressful for Natalie. However, the former actress cheered up when she and Mike officially wedded and declared as husband and wife. Mike said, "Love is a strange thing," as he nervously looked at Natalie in her beautiful dress and said his vows. The former actress said she missed her family and friends at her wedding. But the couple has their constants, Tamara and Uncle Beau. Tamara and Uncle Beau helped them out with the nitty-gritty. The best part of their wedding is Uncle Beau's dress. Many viewers shed tears of laughter upon seeing Uncle Beau wear white. He even takes photos with Mike and Natalie. One fan commented, "Can we start a campaign to get Uncle Beau to be the next person on The Bachelor? It'd be great, Uncle Beau on there, no roses, but a Bud Light to each bachelorette." Some fans feel that Uncle Beau should be getting his own 90 Day Fiancé spin-off. Perhaps Uncle would prefer staying wherever Natalie kicked him out with his bandana and careless attitude after moving into a farm.